Hey YouTube, Alex Conley here, and in today's video, I want to do an unboxing of a tartaletta I got from La Migueria bakery here in Medellin. Now, for those who don't know, this is widely regarded as the best bakery chain in Medellin, and if you go to their reviews, a lot of people compare it to what you'd find in Europe. This specific tartlet came from the Laureles location, one of the Laureles locations, technically the Estadio location, but when we go ahead and open it up here, they've got a nice presentation here. It smells really eggy and it looks like it's got a lot of veggies in it. Wow. That's really good. I definitely recommend checking out La Migueria if you're here in Medellin. Definitely give us a thumbs up if you want to see more unboxing videos and things of that nature. Definitely subscribe if you enjoy this content, and we'll see you next time.